Hello guys, we have received an original HTC EVO 3D dock, and I would like to unbox it for you and show you its features and capabilities. So inside the box we have a glossy finish desktop charger. We also have a USB to micro USB cable. And finally, this is the wall adapter. So basically you're getting an HTC EVO 3D original desktop charger. This has a video button on it. This is made so you can... Basically this dock allows you to connect a micro USB cable. If you want to use a wall to charge it, this is the wall adapter. You can also use this cable to synchronize your phone using HTC Sense. And another good thing about this desktop charger is it is made to take the new MHL adapter for so that way you can connect your HDMI cable using the MHL adapter, which is, I believe, has not been released yet by HTC, but should be available around August of 2011. So once you connect an MHL adapter, then you'll be able to connect your HDMI cable directly to your HD TV, and by pressing this video button here, it will automatically start the media application on your phone. Basically, this desktop charger does not have a spare battery slot. You cannot use this desktop charger with, if you have a case on your phone, then you'll definitely need to take the case off. If looks like all the volume controls are on top, the snapshot is on top, 3.5mm is also on the side, so you'll definitely be able to watch videos, play games, and control the volume here without no problem. If you have this desktop charger is currently available at HTCpedia shop. I believe they've received their first batch and all the pre-orders have been filled. I believe more shipments will be coming in, so watch out for it. It currently retails for $49.99. On the back you have model numbers and HTC logo. The finish is glossy, but it does not attract fingerprints, so that's a good thing. Pretty stylish desktop charger. Alright guys, thank you for your attention.